Hello you guys, and welcome to this edition of Ask Chantel. So today we're going to be talking about, should I start a blog or a YouTube channel? So if you've been kind of throwing this idea around and you're not really sure, then this is the video for you to watch. Let's get into it. So my name is Chantel, and I'm a Christian life, relationship, and business coach, and I'm here to help women and mom influencers build a business and a brand that matters in healthy lives, relationships, and families, because I want to help you to do more of what you love. So really quick, I want to overview this for you. I have been on YouTube and I've had a blog for the past 12 years, and I will tell you that it's not a question of which, it's a question of how. Because the reality is that if you are thinking about this question, you need to do both things. You need to have a YouTube channel, you need to have a blog. The reason is because we are living in a digital age where you need to have your own platform, but you cannot ignore video. So you cannot ignore one, nor can you ignore the other. Now, just so you guys know, I do have a YouTube branding master course. You can absolutely check it out, and I'll give you guys more information on that at the end of the video. It's a 6-week course. So I really want you to understand that having a YouTube channel is powerful, because there are almost, at this point in making this video, which I know is going to skyrocket, who knows like how soon after, there's 2 billion active viewers and users of this YouTube platform every single month. But there are 3.5.
Here's where I said 3.5 million. I should have said 3.5 billion.
People on Google searching every single day. So if you leave one out or the other, you are missing out on opportunity to reach your audience. There may be some people who are looking for text. There may be some people who are looking for video. If you offer both, then you're giving yourself twice as many, probably more than twice as many opportunities to reach all of these people. Some people may not be avid YouTube users. They may just really be on Google. Some people may not be on Google. They may be on YouTube. So if you have both platforms, you're gonna really stand out against everybody else. And you're gonna really build that authority in your industry, whatever that is. So I don't think you need to be asking, should I do this or should I do that? And you will hear a breakdown. There are people that have created videos on, we'll hear the pros of YouTube, hear the cons of YouTube, hear the pros of having a blog, hear the cons of having a blog. The reality is you need both. And so once you recognize that and you understand the power of having your own platform and you understand the power of video, now you're moving into a space where you're actually going to be able to reach the audience that you're meant for, because they need what you have. Now, if you're not a writer, cool. You don't have to do a super lot of writing. You don't have to write all the time. It's more about quality over quantity. So figure out what it is that your people are searching for. Write that content. If you're not great at it, have somebody check it for you. Hire some bloggers for your site when you're able to do that. Hire some copywriters for your site when you're able to do that. But at least get something started. I've received opportunities just for my blog that I did not receive for my YouTube channel. And I've received opportunities just for my YouTube channel that I didn't receive for my blog. But let's not leave out the other social networks. Like, if you're gonna be on YouTube and you're gonna have a blog, you also need an Instagram. Like, there's so many different elements to this thing. Now, I'm not saying spread yourself thin, but what I am saying is have your own platform. And I talked all about how to start a blog and make money. And that was actually how to start a mom blog and make money, because I help mom bloggers, but I help anybody that needs help. So even if you're not a mom blogger, you still watch that video and you can get lots of great information on how to get it started. But if you are just kind of in this in-between space, let me just get you out of it and let you know that it's really important to have your own platform. So you should have your own website, you should have your own blog, and you should absolutely have a YouTube channel, because study after study has proven that video is at the forefront. And when you do make video, we come up first on Google search anyway, so you're gonna be right at the top. But then think about all the other opportunities that you'll have when you have a blog post. Now, for some people, it might be faster to write. Some people might be faster to do video. But if you do both, it'll just give you more opportunities to reach more people. I really think that at one point I was really tunnel vision on YouTube, and I didn't understand the power of a blog. Not only can you sell your services on the blog, right, and everything is right there for people you're about, you can have your media kit, all those things, but also you have a space that you own on the internet that no one can take from you. And it's like the catch-all place for everybody to find everything related to you. It's where your diehard, audience is gonna come find you and become a part of everything that you're doing. But video, it hits all of our senses. It's a win-win if you do both things. Now, you have a place for your services, you have a place for your social accounts, you have a platform that's your own, and you have another opportunity with ads that you can get paid just for having people on your site. And if you're putting video on your site, you're going to keep people on your site longer, which is going to keep you ranking higher, which people that might not have found you even from YouTube might have found you from Google. And because of your YouTube videos on your blog, they're staying on your blog longer, which means that you are going to be moving up in the rankings. It's just a win-win. Just so you know, it does take a lot of views to make that money, honey. It's about 50,000 views, and this is at the time of this recording, about 50,000 views to get you about 6,000. But when you do that and you have other services and other products, affiliate marketing, or your own products or services, these are like all different streams of income that's bringing you money. And on YouTube, you also have your AdSense account, and you can also be doing sponsorships and affiliate marketing as well. Like, there's so many different things that you can do, and when you do it all in conjunction, it's the best decision if you're trying to build a brand, a personal brand on this thing called the internet. You cannot ignore one or the other. You cannot ignore Facebook, you cannot ignore Instagram, you cannot ignore YouTube, and you cannot ignore having your own blog. I don't think enough people are talking about the power of having your own blog, and I'm here to tell you that it's time to get it started. But if you're really trying to build your YouTube channel from the ground up, you really got to figure out who your brand is if you ever expect to reach the audience that you're meant for, because there's a ton of people out here posting content. So if you are interested, I do have a 6-week course that I will put information in the description box below about if you're ready to get started today. But I want to tell you that today you can enroll in my free course. It is the top 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make. And if you'd like to check out that free course, it is in the description box below. And I also have a brand identity chart. If you're trying to figure out who your brand is, I'm building this, blog, I'm building this YouTube channel, I'm still kind of trying to figure out who my brand is, then definitely check that out also in the description box below. I love you guys so much. I'm really excited for the next video we're doing, next business video. Chats with Flo asked me about how I'm balancing this whole mommy and YouTube and working mom thing. And so I'm gonna be doing a video for you guys soon on time blocking, my time blocking schedule and how I do that. So I love you guys so much. And if there's any other videos that you would like to see from me, I would love to know what they are. Some things that you might be struggling with, you want help with concerning all these things. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to do our tea break. Let's do our tea break real quick. So today, I want you guys to comment below. Do you have a blog or do you have a YouTube channel? We love to know, and we love to know what you do. So please leave that in the comment section below. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you received value out of this video. If you did, definitely hit that like button. The next business video we're gonna be doing is gonna be on time blocking for moms, how I time block my schedule as requested from Chats with Flo. If you guys have any other video topics that you'd like for me to do a video on, definitely leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses.